Welcome to Vending University, the ultimate guide to becoming a vending operator. In this course, you will dive into the world of vending machine operations, focusing on failure analysis and prevention. Running vending machines might seem simple, but understanding potential issues is essential for any operator who wants to maximize profitability and maintain customer satisfaction. Every vending machine, regardless of type or location, can encounter problems. From mechanical malfunctions to software glitches, inventory errors, and environmental factors, operators need to identify and address these challenges promptly. This course provides the knowledge required to pinpoint the root causes of failures before they escalate into costly setbacks. We will start by exploring common types of vending machine failures. These include coin or bill acceptance issues, product dispensing errors, and connectivity problems in smart vending machines. By understanding these failure points, operators can implement preventative measures that reduce downtime and keep machines running. Next, we will examine environmental and human factors that contribute to vending machine failures. Temperature, humidity, location, foot traffic, and handling can impact performance. Learning to control these variables helps create a stable operating environment that prolongs machine life. A key part of this course is preventative maintenance. You will learn strategies for inspections, software updates, and cleaning routines that prevent failures before they happen. Practical tips will guide you through establishing a maintenance schedule that fits your operations. Finally, the course emphasizes problem solving and rapid response. Even with precautions, failures can occur. You will gain insight into troubleshooting, documenting issues, and reducing repair times. By the end, you will operate machines efficiently, minimize losses, and deliver a reliable service experience to customers. Module 1, Introduction to Vending Machine Failures, Understanding the Basics. In this module, you will learn the fundamentals of vending machine failures and why understanding them is essential. Even the simplest vending machines rely on multiple systems working together. When one part fails, it can disrupt operations, affect customer satisfaction, and reduce revenue. Knowing the basics helps prevent these issues before they escalate. Vending machines have mechanical, electrical, and software components. Mechanical failures include stuck trays, jammed coin slots, or misaligned dispensers. Electrical problems can involve faulty circuits, sensors, or power issues. Modern smart machines may experience software or connectivity errors that affect payments, inventory, or communication with management systems. Human and environmental factors also influence failures. Improper handling by staff or customers can cause issues, as can extreme temperatures, humidity, dust, or poor placement. Recognizing these external factors is vital for a complete understanding of machine reliability. Failures have real consequences. Downtime reduces revenue, increases repair costs, and frustrates customers. Machines that frequently malfunction can harm an operator's reputation. By understanding the causes, operators can take a systematic approach to analysis and prevention. This module also emphasizes the importance of monitoring and record keeping. Tracking performance, identifying patterns, and documenting problems allow operators to implement preventative strategies effectively. This proactive approach minimizes downtime and ensures machines remain profitable. By the end of this module, you will understand what constitutes a vending machine failure, common causes, and their impact on operations. This foundation prepares you for deeper analysis, troubleshooting, and prevention techniques covered in the following modules. Module 2, Common Mechanical Failures and How to Detect Them. In this module, you will focus on mechanical failures, which are among the most frequent issues in vending machines. Mechanical components include product trays, coin and bill mechanisms, motors, and dispensers. Understanding how these parts operate is key to detecting problems early and preventing machine downtime, ensuring consistent service for customers. Common failures often include jammed trays, stuck products, or misaligned dispensers. Coins or bills can get lodged, preventing payment processing. Motors may fail to operate smoothly, causing inconsistent product delivery. Detecting these issues quickly reduces frustration for both operators and customers and avoids negative feedback that can harm business reputation. Regular inspection is crucial. Operators should monitor mechanical components for wear, loose parts, or signs of misalignment. Simple visual checks and basic testing routines can identify potential failures before they become major problems, saving time, repair costs, and potential loss of revenue. Environmental conditions also play a role. Dust, moisture, or debris can interfere with moving parts, causing jams or slow operation. Machines in high traffic or outdoor locations may require more frequent maintenance to keep mechanical systems functioning reliably and maintain peak efficiency over time. Documenting issues helps identify recurring problems. Keeping a log of mechanical failures, their causes, and how they were resolved allows operators to develop patterns and implement preventative measures. This data-driven approach enhances long-term reliability and supports strategic maintenance planning. By the end of this module, you will be able to recognize the most common mechanical failures, understand their causes, and apply inspection routines that reduce downtime. This knowledge lays the groundwork for handling electrical and software failures in the following modules, equipping you with a comprehensive operational approach. Module 3: Electrical and Electronic System Issues in Vending Machines. In this module, you will learn about electrical and electronic issues that can affect vending machines. These systems are crucial for powering motors, sensors, lighting, payment processing, and, in modern machines, connectivity features. Understanding how electricity flows and how circuits function is essential for diagnosing and preventing failures effectively. Common electrical problems include power surges, blown fuses, faulty wiring, or sensor malfunctions. Such issues can cause machines to stop functioning entirely or operate unpredictably. Recognizing these symptoms early ensures that small problems do not turn into expensive repairs or prolonged downtime. Electronic components, including control boards and microchips, are particularly vulnerable in smart machines. Connectivity failures, software miscommunications, or corrupted firmware can prevent transactions, block inventory updates, or disable remote monitoring. Operators must know how to identify signs of electronic malfunction promptly. Regular inspection and maintenance help reduce risk. Checking wiring connections, replacing worn components, and monitoring for unusual noises, sparks, or error messages are key practices. Operators should also ensure proper grounding and protection against power fluctuations to maintain system stability. Environmental factors such as moisture, temperature extremes, and dust can worsen electrical problems. Machines located outdoors or in high humidity areas require additional precautions. Preventing exposure to these conditions helps extend the lifespan of electronic systems and maintain consistent performance. By the end of this module, you will understand the most common electrical and electronic failures, their causes, and strategies to prevent them. This knowledge equips you to troubleshoot problems effectively, keep machines operational, and minimize downtime, forming a solid foundation for tackling software and connectivity issues in the next module. Module 4: Software and Connectivity Problems, Smart Vending, Troubleshooting. In this module, you will explore software and connectivity issues that affect modern smart vending machines. These machines rely on embedded software, mobile apps, and cloud-based systems to manage inventory, payments, and remote monitoring. Understanding these systems is essential for identifying failures and maintaining seamless operation. Common software problems include system freezes, corrupted firmware, failed updates, or inaccurate inventory records. Connectivity issues such as weak Wi-Fi, cellular signal loss, or server downtime can prevent remote management and payment processing, reducing efficiency and potentially frustrating customers. Smart machines often integrate with payment gateways, apps, and loyalty programs. If communication between these systems fails, transactions may be declined, inventory may not update, or customer data may be lost. Recognizing the signs of these failures helps operators respond quickly and avoid revenue loss. Preventative measures include regular software updates, monitoring system alerts, and performing scheduled reboots. Testing connectivity and backup systems ensures smooth operation even if one component fails. Operators should also maintain proper documentation of software configurations and changes to aid troubleshooting. Environmental factors, including electromagnetic interference or unstable network conditions, can contribute to connectivity problems. Choosing optimal machine placement, ensuring strong signal reception, and protecting against power fluctuations help reduce these risks and maintain stable operations. By the end of this module, you will understand the most common software and connectivity failures, how to detect them, and practical strategies to prevent downtime. This knowledge prepares you for addressing environmental and human factors in the next module and ensures your smart machines run reliably. Module 5: Environmental Factors Affecting Machine Performance. In this module, you will examine how environmental conditions can impact vending machine performance. Machines do not operate in isolation. Factors like temperature, humidity, dust, and exposure to sunlight or moisture can influence both mechanical and electronic components. Understanding these effects is key to reducing failures and maintaining reliability. Temperature extremes are a common issue. Very high or low temperatures can affect motors, sensors, and refrigerated units. Overheating may cause electronic components to fail, while freezing temperatures can jam dispensers or damage wiring. Operators must account for local climate conditions when placing machines. Humidity and moisture can lead to corrosion, short circuits, and sensor malfunctions. Machines located outdoors or in damp environments require protective casings, regular inspections, and additional maintenance to prevent long-term damage and operational issues. Dust and debris can interfere with moving parts, block coin or bill mechanisms, and reduce ventilation efficiency. Regular cleaning and strategic placement in low-dust areas help minimize these problems and extend machine life, keeping operations smooth and cost-effective. High foot traffic or vibration-prone locations can also impact performance. Constant movement, bumps, or jostling can misalign mechanical parts and loosen electrical connections. Selecting stable locations and monitoring wear over time prevents failures caused by physical stress. By the end of this module, you will understand how environmental factors affect both mechanical and electronic systems. You will be able to assess machine placement, implement protective measures, and plan maintenance schedules to minimize risks. This knowledge prepares you to manage human and operational factors in the next module. Module 6: Inventory Management and Product Dispensing Failures. In this module, you will learn about inventory management and product dispensing issues, which are critical to vending machine success. Even machines that are mechanically and electronically sound can fail if products are mismanaged, overstocked, or dispensed incorrectly. Understanding these failures ensures consistent customer satisfaction and revenue flow. Common dispensing problems include stuck products, misaligned trays, empty slots, and irregular item delivery. These failures often frustrate customers and may cause damage to the machine or products. Early detection and correction reduce downtime and maintain smooth operations. Inventory management failures can also occur when stock levels are not monitored accurately. Overfilling or understocking leads to lost sales and waste. Smart machines can track inventory digitally, but errors in input or connectivity can still cause inaccuracies, highlighting the need for careful oversight. Preventative strategies include regular stock checks, proper product placement, and monitoring usage patterns. Ensuring items are compatible with tray dimensions and dispensers prevents jams and reduces mechanical stress. Accurate inventory logging also supports forecasting and efficient restocking. Environmental and human factors play a role as well. Improper handling during restocking, exposure to heat or moisture, or inconsistent stocking routines can increase failures. Staff training and standardized procedures help minimize these risks and maintain reliability. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify common inventory and dispensing failures, understand their causes, and implement preventive measures. This knowledge helps maintain operational efficiency and sets the stage for preventative maintenance strategies in the next module. Module 7: Preventative Maintenance Strategies for Longevity. In this module, you will explore preventative maintenance techniques, which are essential for minimizing vending machine failures and extending their lifespan. Regular maintenance ensures machines operate reliably, reduces costly repairs, and maintains customer satisfaction. Understanding these strategies allows operators to be proactive rather than reactive, ensuring their vending business remains profitable and dependable over time. Key maintenance activities include inspecting mechanical components, checking electrical connections, and cleaning coin and bill mechanisms. Regular lubrication of moving parts, tightening loose fittings, and replacing worn components prevent common failures before they escalate and disrupt operations. Electronic and software systems also require attention. Updating firmware, monitoring error logs, and testing sensors regularly ensures smooth operation. Preventative measures in software and connectivity help avoid transaction failures, miscommunication, or inventory discrepancies, keeping the machine fully functional. Environmental factors must be considered. Machines exposed to dust, humidity, extreme temperatures, or vibration-prone locations require extra precautions. Protective casings, routine inspections, and proper placement reduce stress on both mechanical and electronic components, protecting the investment over time. Human factors play a role as well. Training staff in proper handling, restocking, and cleaning techniques helps prevent failures caused by misuse. Establishing standard operating procedures ensures consistent maintenance practices across all machines in operation, reducing errors and improving efficiency. By the end of this module, you will understand how to implement comprehensive preventative maintenance routines. Applying these strategies reduces downtime, extends machine life, and improves overall reliability, preparing you for rapid response, troubleshooting, and data-driven analysis covered in the next modules. Module 8, Rapid Response, Diagnosing and Resolving Failures. Quickly. In this module, you will learn how to respond quickly and effectively when vending machines fail. Even with preventative maintenance, failures can occur unexpectedly. Rapid diagnosis and resolution minimize downtime, protect revenue, and ensure customer satisfaction. Developing a systematic approach is essential for any successful vending operator, helping maintain trust with customers and ensuring business continuity. The first step in rapid response is identifying the type of failure. Mechanical, electrical, software, or environmental issues each have distinct signs. Operators must observe symptoms carefully, listen for unusual noises, check displays, and examine physical components to pinpoint the root cause accurately and efficiently. Once identified, a structured troubleshooting process helps resolve the problem efficiently. Following checklists, performing tests, and eliminating potential causes in a logical order reduces time spent on trial and error fixes. Having the right tools, replacement parts, and reference materials on hand further speeds up resolution and ensures proper repairs. Communication is also critical. Notifying management or support teams, logging the failure, and documenting steps taken ensures accountability and provides data for future prevention. This documentation can highlight recurring issues, guide improvements, and inform future preventative strategies. Environmental and human factors should be considered during troubleshooting. Assessing temperature, humidity, or user handling errors can reveal underlying causes that might not be immediately obvious. Addressing these factors helps prevent repeat failures in the same machine or location and improves long-term operational reliability. By the end of this module, you will be able to quickly diagnose and fix vending machine failures using a systematic approach. This skill ensures minimal disruption, protects revenue, maintains customer satisfaction, and prepares you for data-driven analysis and preventative strategies covered in the next module. Module 9, Data-Driven Analysis, Using Metrics to Predict and Prevent Failures. In this module, you will explore how data-driven analysis can help predict and prevent vending machine failures. Collecting and analyzing operational metrics allows operators to identify patterns, detect early warning signs, and make informed decisions to reduce downtime and improve efficiency. Understanding the value of data is essential for modern vending management. Key metrics include transaction success rates, product dispensing accuracy, inventory discrepancies, machine uptime, and service call frequency. Monitoring these metrics helps operators detect anomalies that may indicate mechanical, electrical, software, or environmental issues before they escalate. Data collection can come from smart machine systems, manual logs, and maintenance records. Using digital dashboards, operators can visualize trends and track performance over time, allowing proactive intervention and better allocation of resources for repair and restocking. Analyzing historical failure data helps identify recurring issues and root causes. Operators can determine which machines, locations, or products are most prone to problems, enabling targeted preventative measures and more efficient maintenance schedules to minimize disruptions. Human and environmental factors should also be incorporated into analysis. Correlating failures with handling practices, placement conditions, or high traffic periods provides deeper insights, helping operators develop solutions that prevent repeat failures and extend machine lifespan. By the end of this module, you will understand how to use operational data to anticipate failures, optimize maintenance, and make strategic decisions. Leveraging metrics ensures your vending machines remain reliable, profitable, and responsive to both business and customer needs. Module 10, Best Practices and Case Studies in Vending Machine Reliability. In this module, you will explore best practices and real-world case studies that demonstrate how effective strategies prevent vending machine failures. Learning from successful operators and documented examples helps you apply proven techniques to your own operations, improving reliability, profitability, and long-term business sustainability. Best practices include routine inspections, preventative maintenance, thorough staff training, and proper machine placement. Consistently applying these methods reduces mechanical, electrical, and software failures while ensuring a positive customer experience and maintaining a professional reputation. Case studies highlight common challenges and effective solutions. Examples of machines that experienced frequent failures due to environmental exposure, improper handling, or overlooked maintenance illustrate the importance of proactive strategies, careful monitoring, and ongoing performance evaluation. Data-driven analysis, combined with preventative routines, emerges as a consistent theme in successful operations. Operators who track performance metrics, document failures, and implement corrective actions demonstrate higher uptime, lower repair costs, improved revenue, and stronger operational control across all locations. Environmental, human, and technical factors all play a role in reliability. Case studies show how operators address these variables by adjusting placement, training staff, updating systems, and refining maintenance schedules, providing practical lessons that can be adapted to any vending business effectively. By the end of this module, you will have a clear understanding of industry best practices and practical examples of vending machine reliability. Applying these lessons ensures your machines operate efficiently, reduces downtime, improves profitability, and maximizes both customer satisfaction and long-term business success. Conclusion: in this course, you have explored the full spectrum of vending machine failures, from mechanical, electrical, and software issues to environmental and human factors. Understanding these causes is essential for maintaining reliable operations and protecting revenue. Operators who grasp these fundamentals are better equipped to identify problems before they escalate. You have learned how to inspect machines, monitor performance, and detect early warning signs of potential failures. Regular preventative maintenance, combined with careful observation and documentation, helps reduce downtime, extend machine lifespan, and ensure consistent service for customers. Smart machines introduce software and connectivity considerations. Tracking data, performing updates, and analyzing operational metrics are critical skills for modern vending operators. Using this information effectively allows you to predict failures, optimize maintenance schedules, and make informed business decisions. Environmental factors, including temperature, humidity, and location, can significantly impact performance. Operators who assess and adapt to these conditions prevent unnecessary wear and reduce the risk of malfunctions, creating a more stable and profitable operation. Human factors, such as proper handling, restocking, and staff training, are equally important. Establishing standardized procedures, training personnel, and promoting awareness of best practices ensures consistent operations and reduces preventable failures across all machines. By applying the strategies, insights, and case studies presented throughout this course, you can operate vending machines efficiently, minimize disruptions, and maximize both customer satisfaction and profitability. Mastering failure analysis and prevention equips you with the knowledge and confidence to maintain reliable, high performing vending operations in any environment.